Now, this illustration deals with luminaires over hydromassage bathtubs in accordance with NEC 680.70 through 680.74. Now, one of the NEC facts that you want to be familiar with is that a hydromassage tub is the same as a regular bathtub and falls under the same rules. And the NEC loop says if you're the receptacle rules for locations is in figure 10-38 if you wanted to review them. And notice if a receptacle is located within 6 foot of that tub or tub and shower combination, it has to be GFCI protected. Now, the wiring methods to a hydromassage tub, any of those in chapters 1 through 4, and mainly 300.17 informational note puts in alphabetical order metal raceways, non-metallic raceways, tubing, flex, that kind of thing. Now, the light switch has to comply with 210.70A1 and 404.8A, meaning it shouldn't be on the side where the door opens because you couldn't get to it. So it'd be on the opposite side, no greater height than 6 foot 7 inches to the toggle of the switch in the on position, the center of that toggle. Now, this is a permanent install tub, hydromassage tub, in accordance with 680.2. Now, notice the circulating motor shall be accessible. It could be a screwed down door entry. It could be a screwed down marble, say for example, that you could loosen. But then if you have to use tools, if a GFCI was used to cord and plug connect, then that wouldn't be readily accessible. So, but if you open the door and within 1 foot, there cord and plug connects in and meets code like that, then to me that by the definition of readily accessible, you're not using a tool to gain access. You're not using a locked door, for example. You just open the door and there you're located. See, that's what we're saying. Now, notice 430.14a says that motor has to be accessible. 680.73 says yes, it has to be accessible. And Article 100 defines readily accessible, and so forth. And all the elements that supply power to this hydromassage tub must be GFCI protected in accordance with 680.71. The receptacle that's located in the center of those sinks or basins must be, that receptacle must be GFCI protected. And notice it can serve each sink where it's located. If you had a receptacle on the top side of that sink to the bottom side of that other sink, then you'd have 2 receptacles that would be required. So this illustration, 11-33, is demonstrating that you could not hang luminaires over a hydromassage bathtub without you met the clearance rules from 3 foot out and 8 foot from the top rim of the tub, as we have seen previously in illustrations. So that's what this figure 11-33 is illustrating. That light is out in the center of the bathroom, and it's not anywhere near the 3 foot zone or the 8 foot zone.